In addition to the strong list of features that we've just discussed, the feature count continues. Android 12 offers the best level of security and the maximum amount of personalization to date. And when it comes to the security of your personal data, the Nokia X30 5G includes the super convenient ability to unlock your smartphone by simply placing your finger on the display. Plus, it has face recognition as well. It's so simple and really secure. The Nokia X30 5G is powered by the high-performance Snapdragon 695 5G, which provides super swift operation, economic power consumption, and the latest 5G connectivity. Nokia X30 5G includes NFC, has an IP rating of 67, which means it is dust protected and can be immersed in water of up to 1 meter. As I've said, the Nokia X30 5G is our most eco-friendly device yet, and that includes the box. It has reduced packaging with less plastic, fewer chemicals, and more good stuff. Again, great for the planet.